walking in queues and sharing messages, gathering food collectively. They are the best in building towers and underground colonies, assisting each other while working in different departments and fields, having lower and high ranks. They are excellent managers, where the subordinate always follows the leader. What else you want to know? Please do tell us. Their colonial residential towers are interesting. Surprisingly, Mercury flows in an ant hole and gives us a solid proof of their management and organization underground.